Introducing yourself is one of the basic steps in communication. Knowing a little bit about the person you're having a conversation with will make the conversation more interesting, more fun, and more detailed, and also, let's say, helpful, right? As a Yoruba language learner, knowing how to introduce yourself in Yoruba language is a very useful lesson you need to learn, because there's no way you're going to converse with someone, communicate with someone without introducing yourself. Let's say you meet yourself in a gathering where you have to introduce yourself. You found a friend, you found a lover that they are Yoruba, and you need to converse with them, even though you can converse with them in other languages, but you really need to converse with them in Yoruba language to prove that yes, you are learning Yoruba language and that you are improving and getting more better. So this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to introduce yourself in Yoruba language, the basic steps, the basic things you need to say when introducing yourself in Yoruba language. This is going to be just for 5 or less than 5 minutes. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. You won't want to miss it. Watch this video, like, comment, share to people that you know it will be helpful for as well. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi, Favorite Yoruba tutor. How have you been? Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, ibikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Do you miss me? Because I missed you. Okay, so this video, like I said earlier, I'm going to be teaching you how to introduce yourself in Yoruba language. If this is your first time here, this is Learn Yoruba with Olabisi, a channel where you get to learn everything about Yoruba, its language, food, culture, traditions. Yes, everything about Yoruba. And okay, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so you know the basic thing in introducing yourself, the first very general thing is, what is your name? Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. That is, my name is Olabisi. So whatever your name is, you just put it at the back of Orúkọ mi ni. Orúkọ mi ni. Now let's try together. Now you're going to say your name after Orúkọ mi ni. Let's try together now. Orúkọ mi ni. Yes, correct. So that's the very first step. I will not be going into more details about how to introduce yourself, maybe Mrs., Mr., and so on, because this is a basic introduction. If you want to do a should I say an intermediate introduction or a expert introduction, more detailed than this basic introduction video, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely do that. The next thing you ought to say when introducing yourself generally is where you are from. I mean your country. So I'm from Nigeria. Orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ni mo ti wá. Or you say ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ni mí. Ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Orílẹ̀-èdè means country. So I'm a Nigerian, or I'm from Nigeria. So if you want to say where you're from, let's say your country is India, or let's say your country is USA. So you say ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè USA ni mí. Do you get now? So you just put the country at the back of orílẹ̀-èdè. So can we try that together? Like, let me say that once more, then we try that together. Ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ni mí. Now let's try that together. Put your country at the back of orílẹ̀-èdè. Ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè ni mí. Correct. And so now let's move to your work. Here's what you are doing. If you are a student, you just say akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mí. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mí. I'm a student. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mí. We won't be going into more details of your school because this is a basic introduction, remember. So, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mí. If you are working, if you're already a working class, you say òṣìṣẹ́ ni mí. Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé iṣẹ́. I'm working in so company. For instance, let's say I'm working in BFM company. So I will say mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé iṣẹ́ BFM. Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé iṣẹ́ BFM. Can we try that together? You just mention your company's name at the back of ilé iṣẹ́. Now, let's try that together. Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé iṣẹ́. That's that. And now, let's move to where you live. Yes, where you live. Mo ń gbé ní ìlú Ìlọrin, ní àdúgbò Kòṣeéfowórà. I said, I'm living in Ìlọrin. That's a town, or let's say a city. Yeah, a city in Kòṣeéfowórà Street. Now, let's say you are living in Texas in, I don't know the street there too. Okay, let's say you are living in Texas in St. Angeles Street. Okay, let's do that. Mo ń gbé ní Texas, ní àdúgbò St. Angeles. Mò ń gbé ní Texas, ní àdúgbò St. Angels. I guess you'll be able to use that according to your own street and city, right? Okay. I also offer one-on-one training, online Yoruba language tutoring sections for affordable price. For consultations on how to go about the tutoring sections, check my bio. There's an email there. You can send a mail to me, or you can check this video description. There's already a link there to book your consultation. If you are still here by now, that means you are enjoying and learning from this video. So I want you to tell me where you are watching from. Where are you watching from? And if you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe. Do not go without subscribing. Okay. Now, the last thing I'll be talking about in this introduction video is your hobbies. Yes, your hobbies. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. That means I love dancing. So whatever you love doing, you just put at the back of mo fẹ́ràn. For instance, I love eating. My hobbies are eating, sleeping, and dancing. Àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ràn ni kí n máa jó, kí n máa jẹun, kí n máa sùn. But for it to be easier for you to pronounce and say, you can just say mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jẹun, mo fẹ́ràn láti máa sùn, mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jó, mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jà, mo fẹ́ràn láti máa rìnrìn àjò, mo fẹ́ràn láti máa ṣe ìwádìí, mo fẹ́ràn láti máa ṣe ìwádìí. I love researching. I love eating, I love sleeping, I love singing, I love dancing. Okay, so this is just a bonus. Yes, your nickname, what you are mostly called. You can say àwọn àpèjẹ́ mi ni, orúkọ mi ni Ọlábísí, ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn máa ń pè mí ní Olórí, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn máa ń pè mí ní Queen, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn máa ń pè mí ní Bísí the Queen. My name is Olabisi, but most people call me Bisi the Queen, that is aka Bisi the Queen. Or you can also say orúkọ mi ni Olabisi, ṣùgbọ́n àpèjẹ́ mi ni Bisi the Queen. My nickname is Bisi the Queen. Àpèjẹ́, nickname. That's going to be another video. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you learn in this video. I really hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if there's something you need a topic you need me to talk about, to teach you about, to do a video about, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely work that out. Thank you very much for staying tuned to the very end. I love you. Do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. I love you. Bye bye.